I don't see that dog in the summer. I only see that dog in the winter when it was the springtime. Cause I don't see that dog in the summertime when she always like this, so thirsty. I don't see that dog. I see that dog every day. I see that damn dog, and the damn dog always scratch its face on ground. I say to that dog, go to your bed, dog. It don't go to its bed. Sometime I have to take again. I say, here comes. Here comes. Hey, go to bed, dog. Hey, dog, go to your bed, dog. See, now she go. Now she go. She know who her master is in this house. Oh, so she listen to me. But I did not see that dog in the summertime. I only become a friend with that dog in winter.
Become friends.
The dog and I have a very special connection, and when the dog look at me, it's a very special thing into my mind. And what it said to me is, you are a very special woman, and I want you to go and take me for a walk sometime so I can shit on thing and eat the dog shit all day. And so I say it's okay. I would eat she eat the cat shit. And so I take that dog on the walk summertime. And when that dog go for the walk, she runs so fast sometimes. Sometimes she runs so fast. I wonder who walking who. And so we come home, we get back to the house, and I see that she take a big shit on my bed. She take that up on my bed.
That's not a true story.
She, excuse me, and she take a shit on my face.
She's never shot on your face.
And I get home to the kitchen, and I see that the kitchen is filthy, and that she take a shit on the kitchen plates. And I said, naughty bitch, what you do this for when I buy you nicer thing for you? And still she no appreciate the kindness, but still when I talk to the animal, she said a very nice thing to me in her dog mind. And she said to me, why am I still alive right now? Why have you not killed me? And I said to her, listen, pup, what the? Did you see that?
Did he
Kitty. No, he was jumping to a mom.
Oh,
I want to come back and I'll show you my Kit Kat. I have a Kit Kat. I'll come back for you. Come, Kit Kat. Come, Kit Kat. You're going to be on the TV with me, the Kit Kat. The Kit Kat
John
is
is hanging already.
we got the Kit Kat. We got the Kit Kat one for you. Okay, here's the Kit Kat. Here's the Kit Kat, okay? Here's the Kit Kat. No, he like it. I make him like it. No, you said to me.
You're gonna end up with scratches like me.
No, you said to. And I hit that cat so good sometime, cause he is a very naughty pussy, and he killed the animal. He killed the reptile. He killed the rodents. He killed the birds. I see him slaughter a full animal sometime. He take it by his claw and he take its life force. He suck its life force away, and then he walk around like he think he own the fucking place. I tell you right now, he don't own nothing. He owns nothing. Okay? The only thing that he own is his fucking shithole. Okay? Because he control when the shit come out and when he eat the food. Okay? So he control two holes in his whole life. That is all he control. Okay? That is all that the pussy Pushkina Bled can control. Okay? Thank you. It's so nice to see you again, and I hope that you have a very nice time with your life. Okay. Okay, goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye.